Hey guys, Assalamualikum, hello, hi, and once again welcome back to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And today we are going to see a potato recipe. Yes, it's going to be a potato fry. Don't worry, we are not going to use ample amount of oil in frying the potatoes here. We are going to make some healthiest potato. Potatoes have lots of health benefits if you consume them right. So every day a medium size of potato, which is either boiled or steamed or baked, should be a perfect and a healthy diet option for you all. So here you go, I'm going to share my favorite and my secret potato recipe with you all, which takes only 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, and yet you can enjoy fried potato. Let's start. I have cleaned the potato, peeled them and sliced them, and I have soaked them in the water for about 15 minutes because I want to remove the starch. I don't want the starch because the starch can make my potatoes sticky, and it's also not good for health to consume potatoes with too much of starch in it. To a pot, I have added 1 liter of water, to which I'll be adding a little bit of salt and bring this to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to drain the potato slices and add it to it and close the lid and let this cook until it boils. Once the boiling starts, I'm going to cook this for about another 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the flame and drain the potatoes well. Using a drainer, you can drain the potatoes and set it aside. Moving on to the next part of our cooking, where I have taken the same pot to which I have added around 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil with curry leaves, mustard seed, hing and cumin seeds, with some green chilies and chopped garlic cloves and sliced onions. I'm going to saute this well together and add the drained potatoes to it, mix everything, and now it's time to add our Indian spices. Without we don't enjoy any food recipes, so here you go. Let's add the red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder along with a bit of salt in it. Please ensure that you keep a track of the salt because we are adding salt here in 2 places, while boiling and now. And cook this in a very medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes, but keep tracking it every now and then because we don't want to overcook the potatoes as well, and we don't want to undercook them as well. So keep track of the potatoes every 2 to 3 minutes. Just open the lid and keep mixing them, and again close the lid and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep repeating the process until maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then your delicious and tasty potato fry is ready, guys. So do give this a try and share your experience in the comment section below, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. We'll be back with another recipe, inshallah. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.